Almond croissants, my favourite. Right, here we go. Are you ready? Let's go. So in a mixing pan you need your sugar, your butter, an egg and egg yolk. I'll give you the recipe in a minute in the link below. And your ground almonds. And you blend that up until it's light and fluffy and white-ish. With your croissants, just slice them in half. Be careful not to cut your fingers. And then the mixture you made, stick it in a bowl, open your croissants up and put some of the filling inside the croissant. And you also want to add some flaked almonds for a bit of texture. You don't have to. And at this stage as well, I haven't in the video because I didn't have any, but make sure you just do some finely grated marzipan in there as well, just to emphasize the flavor of the almond. That just takes it up another notch. They're still delicious without. You don't have to, but I would have. But again, I ran out of marzipan, so I didn't have any in the house. So yeah, try that as well. It's a winner. Now once you've filled them, you dunk them in your stock syrup. Once you've dipped your croissants in and squeezed them a little bit and got some of the liquid out, again the recipe will be below. It's basically just water and sugar. Dissolve it until it's cooled down. You put some more of the mixture on the top and some more flaked almonds. I keep saying ground almonds on those. Put some flaked almonds on the top. Greaseproof a tray. I ran out of greaseproof, so I've used tin foil. And then you put them in the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes, going at 180 degrees centigrade. And when they're golden and brown on the top, you take them out, let them cool down for a few minutes, and then cover them with icing sugar. And you're going to have to wait and not burn your mouth when you eat these because they're irresistible. When you've had one, you're going to want more. With the filling, by the way, you can just stick it in the fridge until you need more. It lasts about 3 or 4 days in the fridge, and enjoy them because we love them.
I miss this so much. It's so good. You should teach me how to make this.
You can watch the video now.
That's true.